We're looking at an SK bed. What that means is it's a skirted bed, skirted around the wheels. The handle that secures the door shut, it includes a lock inside there. It's about 11 inches deep. It's got a gasket all the way around. The gasket. And then you twist that, and then you turn it. Now watch the door suck shut a little bit. See that? And then that clips. You can even lock it here or use the key lock. There's 4 toolboxes. This one's a little more narrow in the back. There's not as much room. The way that works is it goes like this, and then when you push the handle down, it draws it in. You see that? You can see the thing drawing it down. So it's nice. It's got a real nice feel to it. It's not like clanky or anything like that, and it's secure, and then of course lockable. With all these CM SK beds, they've got a little bit of aluminum trim. Looks nice. And then they've got the rub rail with the stake pockets. The receiver hitches are built by B&W, and that's rated at 14,500 pounds. And then the gooseneck hitch, you can see the trap door for it. That's rated at 26,000 pounds. Let's go open it up. And there's your hitch, 2 5/16 ball for your gooseneck, and then you've got your electrical connector right there, 7-way flat. Well, pretty much all the CM beds, they have the LED lighting all the way around, your turn signals, brake lights, and reverse lights. And you've got a nice connector here. It's a 7-way flat, and then a flat 4-way. You can see them all. So you kind of got all the options to pull anything. We'll take a look up underneath. It's got the regular framing, and you can see the gooseneck hitch, all the beefy welds and extra metal that's underneath there to make it strong for you. From half-ton short beds to 84-inch cab to axle chassis beds and everything in between. CM builds them for all of them. These are available in aluminum too. Thanks for looking.